Hello and welcome. This is Roy. I'm sharing with you a brief clip taken from 63 minutes video that I've just finished to record for my subscribers. You will find the clip focusing on the Forex market. We have some good opportunities in Forex, but not just in Forex. I detail quite a few great setups in this video for trading that could have a run for more than just the coming week. You can find all about it if you try out my service. You can pay with PayPal if you wish. If you want further details, please stay on after the clip's end. I'll be talking to you again. Other than that, I wish you have a great viewing and good week. Bye now. Hello and welcome. This is Roy. In this video I have a lot of charts and I'll be examining whether the recent reversal we have seen on Friday in the stock market is set to continue and to what extent. So here are the charts that I have in this video. I have the dollar index, the euro US dollar, Swiss franc, British pound US dollar, the euro Japanese yen, US dollar Japanese yen, US dollar Canadian dollar, US dollar Singapore dollar, then the euro bond, USD bond, gold, light crude, heating oil, Brent crude, and then the stock market's down. S&P 500, the Nasdaq, the S&P 400, the EU Stocks 50, the CAC 40 of France, the DAX of Germany, IBEX 35 of Spain, Italy's MIB, the RTS of Russia, the Chinese Securities Index, and I'll terminate the video with a look at the Nikkei. Okay, that's the US dollar Japanese yen. Even the mighty US dollar is falling against the yen. So that should put things in perspective here. And I say mighty in the context of the euro. Of course, the euro is taking a beating from all the currencies right now. That's the 60 minutes. That's an A. That's a B. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3. We are possible. We are looking possibly at a tiny fourth wave. You can see that would lead for a further slump down. I think running back above 79 even, we'll probably say this is over, we're going up. We're going up, that was an ABC, we potentially going up all the way there. US dollar, Canadian dollar. That is the weekly scale, and I still believe that this is coming. A challenge and a run above the black line. The oil market is going to collapse, barring an attack on Iran that will send oil prices, in my opinion, obviously a lot higher. I think we are looking at a market that is here. The US dollar, Canadian dollar is preparing for a pretty spectacular jump above the black line here. The weekly scale goes back to March 2009. As you can see what we are dealing with, this is a massive inverse head and shoulders, and as I said, I still expect this run that would, this qualifying as one, that's two, correction could be behind us. We're looking for the third wave inside the C. Let's have a look now at the daily. And that is one, and I've altered it slightly. We go down, you will see the various subdivisions. I think there is a good chance that this is over. Although technically it could give us another leg down, a tiny leg down. I'll show you in the details, but I take it as if it is over. I have here an ABC. ABC, this I take as an X. I have another ABC here, and I have another ABC that I take as an X, and I think that terminated in an ABC. So my reading is that it closed above the 200 moving average. It is ready to start climbing up, and I'll show you the 60 minutes. And if you remember, yesterday I was talking about this potentially being 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, fourth wave go down. But look, the market came back, is basically encroaching onto the territory of the 1, 2 here. So I think we should take it as an ABC really, and start looking up. Start looking up. Final confirmation would be a climb. We get a climb here is already looking very good, but a climb above this I think would kill the idea completely that we're going to have a further downside. I think it will start running up towards this level. That's 101.60. Running here, prepare for continuation towards 102.60, and as I said, higher and higher. That's the US dollar, Singapore dollar. Also very interesting situation here. I'll take you to the weekly scale. I won't go through the very big picture. I've done it on several occasions. I'll focus on what we are seeing here, and that is potentially end of an impulse wave right here. Oh, I could be wrong, and we had a fourth wave here, and the move ended here. In the case of the US dollar, Canadian dollar, and many other forex pairs, we are actually focusing on the move that began from this spot. So in the case of this one, if we take this as an A, that's a B. We had our first leg up. That's 2. We're looking for a third wave up. Yes, and again, within the concept of a UJBC. Let's now focus. Wait, let me see if I can clarify it further. Here, that's the weekly scale again. Closer look. So that is A, that is B. Yes, A, B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, C. So that's A, B, C. So that's an A. That's a B. That's the first leg up. Correction, if I'm right, surge in the US dollar against the Singapore dollar up to 132 and higher. Asian economies are decelerating. Yes, the main motor is decelerating fast. The Chinese motor is decelerating, is bringing everything down, and the descent in the Chinese market does not look to be near an end as far as I can see. So here's, if you like, a fundamental argument why the US dollar would raise its head against the normally very strong Singapore dollar. Let's have a look now at the daily. Okay, so that's 1 ABC X ABC. If I'm right, pretty soon we will see a climb back above 127 and running towards 130 and a lot higher. Hello again. I'll be running through here, presenting you with some of the features of my website, and I do have a page on Twitter. You're welcome to join. I don't make intensive use of it, but it's a way of keeping in touch. It doesn't cost anything. It's free. I have written a few articles. You may like to take a look at them. I have here a testimonial from an active trader who's using my website right here on the front page. There are a few tabs here on the side that if you like, I threw in some of the philosophy and the motives behind setting up this website. I have here a section, what subscribers say speaks for itself. I have an affiliate program. You don't have to be subscribed to join. If you're interested to get in touch with me, links to sample clips, that takes you to past clips. I often try to update it every weekend. Gives you a sample of things that I've done in the past and in the recent past as well. And R.N. Elliott, that gives you access to a book, very interesting book if you are about practice and about getting things going deeper into learning about the Elliott waves principle. Go there and you will see a link to how to download a full-length book that I really recommend you read. Private policy terms of use, very standard. Why join? I spell out some of the arguments that I think can clarify how I can help, who I can help, etc. Subscribe here. I'll just go through this quickly. I basically have 3 options that you can choose from. The full product that is very intensive, directed at people who are using and following the markets every day, costs €79 only for a month. I record every day, also on the weekend. My videos are very detailed, they're very helpful, really following all the markets, the major markets, and I can even follow markets that are of interest to you. If I have time, I will add them. I can't promise I'll do that on a daily basis, but I will definitely take a look if there is a specific market or situation that is of interest to you. Other than that, there is the option of the weekend video. Weekend video costs from 25. You can see it's available. The weekend videos are available from 25 per month. If you pay up front, it costs 25. I mean, pay up front for 6 months or so, it will cost you only 25. If you pay per month, it's 29. And that is really covering only the weekend videos. Yeah, it is aimed at people who do not have time to watch intensively the market during the week, but nevertheless would like to have a comprehensive view of what happened and what is likely to happen. And I do cover the markets. I do a comprehensive video every weekend that gives a very good preparation for the coming week. And apart from that, of course, I've got the trial. Yes, as advertised on the front page. We'll see it again in a minute. You can just try out the service for $9.99. That gives you access to the daily videos, but just for 1 week. Okay, so you get access. You see 7 videos. You can check the archive. I normally leave about 1 month worth of videos on the archive, so you can check out the kind of things that I did in the past. You can pay for the service with PayPal. It's pretty straightforward. You go on the create account. I'll show you in a sec. If you have an account with PayPal, that should be no problem. I had an account with AlertPay. I still have it. If you happen to have an account with AlertPay, they actually changed their name, and I didn't have time to reflect it here. I think it's called Payza now. You can go ahead and try to pay with that. If that causes you any problem, if you have a problem, maybe the plugin needs a modification, just get in touch with me. Other than that, I also have Money Bookers. If you have an account with Money Bookers, I would welcome you paying through Money Bookers. That should also not be a problem. If you don't have an account, it's also a good option. It gives access to a lot of to people from a lot of countries. Also, Payza, AlertPay used to be AlertPay, yes. Payza now extended its coverage. It is accessing many countries, so that's something for you to consider. Let's go back to the home page, and I'll just continue to run down through here. We've got Contact Us, speaks for itself. Tell a friend. Why don't you give me a helping hand if you like my service? If you like the videos, the clips, why don't you spread the word? Give me a hand. Downloads. That's where you can download charts that I put in the public area, and you can download as many as you want. That will give you an idea how detailed my work is, and what sort of which way we are going with my chart. Recommended reading list, highly recommended. Really take a look. There are some links there to books that you can download, and I think you will find quite good stuff here. Frequently asked questions. Make sure you read this before you subscribe, because that will explain to you how to find the videos once you create an account, how to log in, etc. And then useful links, speaks for itself. Blank page, inconsequential, and that's where you open the account. You see, you just right here, create an account. In fact, that's the login. Once you get your login details, here you come up with, it comes up with the sign up. You've got your Elliott Wave Practitioner. That's the weekend edition. You can have 6 months. Elliott Wave Practitioner Weekend Edition. That's a yearly subscription. And then Elliott Wave Practitioner Weekend Edition paid monthly. Okay, you make your choice. The prices are indicated here. Then Elliott Wave Practitioner, that's per month. Yes, every month. And that is the trial. You are allowed to take it once. It is not something you're going to take on and off all the time. You just take it once. You sample, you see, try it out. You like it, don't like it, whatever. PayPal, Money Bookers, AlertPay. Choose which one suits you, and the rest is pretty straightforward. You go through that. You wait for you wait for the email from my system. You make sure you follow the instructions. I jump back to the page here to subscribe here, because there are a few email addresses that you are advised to look. This, for example, go through that. You need to whitelist that. Yes, you don't want to wait for my email from the system and it gets stuck in your junk mail, or it disappears, or because you didn't whitelist these addresses, you won't find it, and then you start with the left foot. So you whitelist these 2 addresses, you'll be on the right track. You get the email for my system. You verify your email address like this. You are sure you join my list, and that's how I keep in touch with you. Whenever I record a new video, I send you the link and I tell you I've just posted it, etc. Look, if you have any question on your mind, whatever, don't hesitate to contact me. I'm here to help. I'm pretty sure my service can help you immensely to make a lot of progress, no matter which level you are. I've been doing it for many years, and I've seen a lot of things. You know, I've also experienced a lot of things in my own trading, and that's all. So I hope you enjoy the experience, and look forward to hear from you. Bye now.